Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already know we are discussing your fourth lesson and that is fraction. Dear students, in previous videos you learnt how to add the mixed fractions by method 1 and method 2. In today's class also we are going to discuss the subtraction of fractions. How you added the fractions, the same procedure you have to follow here also, but there you added, here we have to subtract. So let us solve, and here first of all we are going to solve the subtraction on like fractions. So here first of all like fraction, then what are this like fraction? A fraction having same denominator. 3, 3, 5, 5, 6, 6, 8, 8. A fraction having same denominators, for that we are calling like fraction. The addition of the subtraction of like fractions is very easy. See here first question, I will take this example, 2 by 3, 1 by 3 is there. Okay, so how to subtract this number? 2 minus 1 is 1. Don't write here 3 minus 3 is 0. This is completely wrong. Here when we are subtracting the like fractions, we need to subtract only numerator. Don't subtract the denominator. Okay, so here 2 minus 1 is 1 and here you keep the denominator as it is. Don't subtract the denominator. We need to subtract only numerator. So 4 minus 1 is 3 and you keep this 5 as it is. 5 minus 1 is 4 and this you keep as it is. So here 1 by 3, 3 by 5, 4 by 6 is the answer. Don't do that mistake. 3 minus 3 is 0, 5 minus 5 0, 6 minus 6 0. When in case we are subtracting the like fractions, we need to subtract only numerator. There is no need to subtract the denominator. You keep the denominator as it is. Okay. So here one more example is there, 3 by 8 from 1 by 5 by 8. Where from will come? No, the second number you have to take first. 1 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. Then how to subtract this number? Here also same procedure, but here one step is extra. We need to convert this as a improper fraction. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 minus 8 minus 3 by 8. Okay, 13 minus 3 is 10 and 8 you keep as it is. If you are stopping here, this is also correct. Here we will move one more step and that is reducing the number. 10 and 8 are there in same table. So cut this number. 2 5s are 10. 2 4s are 8. So write here 5 by 4 as the answer. 5 by 4. Okay. So this type we have to subtract the like fraction. Dear students, you have some examples in my practice time for you. Page number 138. 138. I have solved some of the examples also. You to try that examples. Next here, subtraction of unlike fraction. Subtraction of like fraction is easy, but here to subtract the unlike fraction, we have to follow some steps. Unlike fraction. Okay, unlike fraction. See here how you subtracted, how you added the unlike fractions. No, here also the same procedure, but we have to do subtraction. So let us take one example from your my practice time for you, and I will take here 9 by 12 minus 9 by 12 minus 2 by 4. 9 by 12 minus 2 by 4. Okay, so here also see unlike fractions. Why? Because here denominators are different. So here you take the LCM of 12 and 4. Yes, both are there in same table. Yes, they are there. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4. Again you take here 3, 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is. 4 into 3. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. I hope you are getting my point. Then again once again you write this 9 by 12 minus 2 by 4, and again I will write here 12. Okay, why I wrote here 12? Because the LCM of the number is 12. So for time being you hide this. So 12 how much are 12? 12 ones are 12. Again you see this 4 how much are 12? 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 12 ones are 12. You need to multiply with denominator. Okay, so while solving the examples, first you solve whichever example I have solved on the board for 2 to 3 times. Then only you come to know how to solve the next number. For this you need more practice. So please keep practicing. Next, here 9 ones are 9. 9 into 1 minus 2 into 3. 2 into 3. 9 ones are 9 minus 2 3s are 6 by 12. Okay, so here you write 12. Next, 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 is 3 and here you write 12. So dear students, here we need to do one more step. 3 by 12 is there. Yes, 3 and 12 are there in same table. Yes, they both are there in same table. So take here 3 ones are and 3 fours are 12. So here answer is 1 by 4. If you got 3 by 12, that is also correct. 1 by 4 is also correct. So here this type you have to subtract the unlike fraction. How you added the unlike fraction? No, here also same procedure. There we did addition and here we are subtracting the numbers. Next, I will take one more example from your my practice time. I will take that is 5 by 7. 5 by 7 minus 5 by 7 minus 1 by 4. Dear students, already you know about the prime numbers and composite number. Here this is 7 is a prime number and 4 is a composite number. In that case, if we are directly multiplying the denominator, we are getting the LCM. So if you have a confusion, then I will solve here only. 7 ones are 7 and 4 as it is. You take here 4, 1 as it is, 4 ones are 4. 7 fours are 28. Dear students, in case if you have one prime number and one composite number, there is no need to solve this step. Okay, if you are writing directly 7 4s are 28, that is also correct. So here the LCM of 7 and 4 is 28. Then what to do here? Next step, we have to add once again you write this step 5 by 7 minus 1 by 4. Again you keep this 28 down. Then what we have to do? 7 how much are 28? 7 4s are 28. 1 how much are 28? 4 8s are 4 6s are 24. Here 4 6s are 4 7s are 28. 4 7s are 28. 7 4s are 28. Then multiply this 5 into 4 minus 1 into 7. 5 into 4, 1 into 7. Okay, so see here 5 4s are 20 minus 1 7s are 7. Again you write here 28. 20 minus 7 is, that is 13. 13 by 28 is the answer. Then tell me 13 by 28, that is proper fraction or improper fraction? Yes, that is proper fraction. If you get improper fraction, then only you are going to convert that as a mixed fraction. Okay, so let us take one more example. So I will take here one more example, and that is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 minus 3 by 7. Dear students, here also see in denominator you have what? Both are prime numbers. If prime numbers are there, means you can multiply directly, then you will get what? The LCM of the number. If you have a confusion, then you can solve by this method. So right here 3 ones are 3, 7 as it is, 7 you take, 1 as it is, 7 ones are 7, 3 into 7, 3 sevens are 21. There is no need to solve this steps. Directly if you are writing 3 sevens are 21, that is correct. So here once again I will write this question, 2 by 3 minus 3 by 7. Here I will take 21, hide this 2. 3 how much are 27? 3 sevens are 21, 7 threes are 21, 7 threes are 21, 3 sevens are 21. 2 into 7 minus 3 into 3. 2 sevens are 14 minus 3 threes are 9 upon 21. 14 minus 9 is 5. 5/21 will be the answer. Dear students, almost all I tried to solve all the examples from your My Practice Time 5. Solve the examples neatly and send it to my WhatsApp number. I hope today's class is clear to you. Thank you.